guys, guess where I am? In my new studio! Ah! Hear that echo? I'm gonna have to get rid of that. But, oh my gosh, I am in here by myself and nothing has been done yet. You see how there's like weird spots of things we have to fix. So this half wall behind me is coming down. I'm gonna show you around and give you a good before we start tearing stuff out tonight, which is super exciting. But look at this natural light too. I am sitting in front of a window, but we have massive windows. There's 1, 2, 3, like floor to ceiling windows all the way across the front of the building. It used to be an old tire shop, which is really interesting. It's like a 100-year-old building and you can tell it, but also it's so good. And I'm so excited for like what this means for you guys and for me and for all the things, because there's gonna be a whole studio in here, podcasting studio and a YouTube filming setup. I'm gonna up my game and all the things, and I can't wait to bring you along for the ride. So let me show you kind of what we're looking at. Let me get out of the floor. What we're looking at right now before we start tearing things down, because I think it'll be fun to look back on. In most of the office, there's this like hardwood laminate-y stuff. Actually, you know what? Let me turn the camera around. Okay, I don't have any of the lights on back through there, but I'm standing at the front door. All of that is leaving tonight, all gone. This half wall, whomever constructed it, did not do the best job in the world. So, see all those holes? This is coming down. The half wall is coming down, but these posts have to stay. And over there, there's like different floor. So we're gonna have to figure that out. But essentially, envision this with me. Accent wall here with like couches and chairs and places to sit and places to move if I wanna move them to have local classes or to even, have you guys come in and learn. Back there is a bathroom. There's another one back there. Here will be a conference table. This is leaving. All of this patchy sheetrock is getting fixed. Again, half wall coming down. That, where the mirror is, that is gonna be the background of my videos. So my desk is going to sit here, right about where my camera is now, and that is gonna be the background. Obviously painted, this ugly floor not showing, and my neon sign I'm getting made is gonna go back there. Oh my gosh. And then over here is where we will put our like working desks. Mine and Laura's. Laura is my assistant, so she'll go here somewhere. That'll be down. We'll probably have seating up close to the front, but look at those windows. That's all my junk that I brought in with me today. There is toilet paper because we have bathrooms with no toilet paper, but look how exciting. And I love, 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 love the ceilings because they've just been redone. That black pipe is my favorite part of the ceiling. And when my husband was here with me the other night, he was like, that's the like pipe from the upstairs apartments that their toilet water goes down through. I'm like, but I like it. But also you can hear it when it flushes. So we may have to do something about that. But so exciting. So that's gonna be the background. Let's go, let's go. I don't know where the lights are. Oh, okay. Envision that there are not mirrors back there and that my desk is right about here and this will be my filming space. I am so excited. It needs a lot of work, I won't lie. There's gonna be lots of rugs covering this floor for looks, but also because it's echoey. Rugs in here too, and we will likely have to put sound panels on the ceiling so it doesn't echo up there, but get excited. I'm in the office today. And I wanted to show you some of the crap. So I'm in the office today and I'm technically waiting on someone who's gonna come and measure this area for carpet, because as you can see, it's like this ugly vinyl, and I'm gonna show you more of it because this video does not depict how bad it is, you know? But I'm in here today and I thought I would show some of the, like, you know, ugliness that's going on behind the scenes. So this, as you saw in the before video, there was a big ramp back here, there was a checkout counter, there was a half wall, and some things have changed. We definitely took all that out. But let me show you the not so pretty side. This is where the ramp was. They literally floored to like right underneath it. And so now I have to find this same flooring to match. And this, like, the walls are in bad shape. So we're having someone come in and like patch these areas so that I can repaint all of this. But I mean, look at all these holes in the wall. What were these people even doing, you know? So we got everything down over here, but tons and tons of holes in the wall. And we got the whole half wall down. But that right there, I just kicked a piece of something on the floor. That right there is a big moldy piece of sheetrock. So that is coming out. They were doing something in here that like had some like steam, I think is the right way to say that. So there was, this whole wall was moldy and it was covered up, and then there was some mold on the ceiling, but we got all that. So I'm gonna repaint the ceiling a little bit, and then yeah, so this wall right here, the sheetrock is coming out, and I'm gonna do, just envision like a wood accent wall that's painted a pretty bright color. We've got somebody coming in to fix all these like random sheetrock holes, and yeah, this is gonna be my filming area. It's hysterical right now. But this is just vinyl someone has rolled out, and like it's cut in some places, but also it doesn't, like, there's a big gap right here between the other floor and this floor where they had built that half wall that we had to take out. And then like back here, there's no floor. So this is an old building, and this is just like a storage area before you go into a bathroom and like where the HVAC unit and stuff is. And so, I mean, look at that. Like, there's just like, this is not acceptable, guys. So currently I'm waiting on the person who's gonna come measure this small area for carpet, because I'm gonna have to put a ton of rugs in here anyway because of the sound, right? Like the echo. So I figured the cheapest thing we can probably do is carpet, but there's all these like weird transitions. You see that? Like weird transitions in the floor where the half wall was. So I've got somebody come in to look at it right now, and then, yeah, then we're patching sheetrock and painting, and then we're ready to move in. I just talked to the realtor, and she said there's extra floor in the closet. So if there is, I have missed it, but I also haven't explicitly looked for extra floor in the supply closet. So, listen. Look, there is. I don't know if it's enough to do what we need, but at least I know what to get. So I think this is where we're gonna end part one of the studio series, and I hope you're just as excited about this studio as I am. The next time you see it, there will be a lot more changes. Hopefully the next time you see it, we'll be painting and getting ready to move in, and I'm so pumped to bring you guys along the way. So if you want to see more studio videos and you are not yet subscribed, please make sure to do that. And until next time, bye y'all.